Boys, today we're taking a look at Valorant rounds. That's what we're doing. Lucas Magic is joining us on stream today. If you guys don't follow Lucas's YouTube channel, go subscribe to Lucas's YouTube channel. It sounded kind of gross. I'm gonna look it up. Hold on. Yeah, I cataloged a ton of rounds from the games today. It was not a ton. It was like 5 rounds that I thought were pretty cool. This is what I'm gonna try to start doing after I watch like games. I'm gonna like write down the rounds that I like, and then I'm going to go through them over on stream because I think it's cool. And that way I can look back and I can remember these cool rounds that happened. So this first one I think I commented on, I think you were watching this. This came from like yesterday, actually, I think. I just get pissed off that people don't understand baits, you know? So like going through this clip, you'll notice Caboose sitting in cubby. He's just chilling. This is such a basic thing, but my mate's just topping this. He shoots the drone for his buddy, and then he throws the blind in for his buddy. And now Caboose picks up 2, I think. And it's like, dude, if Mame's not there, Caboose does not pick up 2. Caboose just gets cleared out by that drone and dies, you know? It's shit like that I just saw it. I was like,
nice.
So for those who don't really understand what a bait is, because they're like, when someone says like, yo, bait for me, there's 2 parts. There's the guy who's you're baiting for, and then the guy, you know, doing the bait. So what the operator is doing is, let's say, holding that angle. Because in Valorant, when you're holding an angle, you're like making sure enemies can't get across that spot. So if they see the operators, okay, the operator is U-Haul, he's probably the one holding the angle. They're not going to think about somebody else being in the same exact angle. Because I don't know if you guys recognize in your comp games, there's usually 1 showers, one U-Haul, and then maybe there's one on hookah and 1 long. You spread out your sources. But if you kind of trick the enemy into thinking that, okay, the guy holding short is in U-Haul, you can essentially create false, like, you know, information. And then there's actually 2 people short, giving the guy who's in short, you know, the advantage.
Yeah, this guy gets the attention right here because they're all like, "Oh shit, operator and
U-Haul." I was trying to
explain
what a bait is, but when I kept going, I was like, "Dang, this is actually sort of complicated."
No, you're good. Like, I think that stuff needs to be explained because people really don't understand it. I ask people in my like diamond comp games to bait for me, they don't understand. Like, I don't get it. But yeah, so this guy gets the attention and then this guy gets the kills. You know, it's a very selfless role to bait for somebody because
that's a good way to explain it. Yeah, that was a better way.
Cool. No, it was good. You killed it. That's why I have you on. You know, you do all the content and I just sit here and like nod my head. You know, that's what I like.
Oh, okay.
So this next clip, what happens at this one? Oh, I just I don't play a ton of Jet, but this is something I've noticed that Jets do that really bothers me, and I realized why it bothers me recently. It's so notice he goes for this peek here and he gets the kill. And then he updrafts, and the updraft for the re-peek makes it hard for them to counter it because you can't pre-aim an updrafted Jet. They don't know where to pre-aim because he could be anywhere. Like, I could rewind it here. Like when he's in the air, when he peeks, he could be here, he could be down here, he could be like even on the ground still. Like he could be all over the place, and you can't pre-aim this, which is why he's able to just peek into 3 people, steal another kill, and then dash away. You know, that's kind of nutty. That's Jet tech right there. So if you guys don't know that, I just thought that was cool. I don't think that one needs much more commentary, but I just thought it was dope. This next play, this was the one I sent you. So you're a resident frenzy hater. You don't like the frenzy. You like...
I hate the So here's my take. The frenzy only works for the other team. So now you can play the clip.
Okay, yeah. So this is Tenz's frenzy clip that a lot of people probably saw. That's pretty good. I clipped it from Shroud's stream.
I'm not going to do it.
I think frenzy's busted. I've always thought it was busted. So after I saw that jump kill, I was like, I gotta send this to Lucas. This kills everyone.
Lucky,
yeah, so like this frenzy would never, you know, work for me like this. But you know, if you're a pro,
he literally just ran him down. Like, it didn't even matter, dude. That's so gross. He didn't get the ace though. Sick actually stole it from him. I'm not sure if that's because like he's not a real Sentinels member or something like that. I think is he officially signed to Sentinels now? Is that what the deal is, or is he just playing for them?
I was trying to look up some information, but I was looking at his stream. Like he literally has Sentinel like banners and everything.
So I guess he's probably just signed to Sentinels then, huh? Oh, this one was just a really annoying wall boost that I saw from Nitro. Nitro popped off in this game on Sage, which is cool because he normally only plays Omen. I just like this angle because he could see behind this box if somebody tries to back up or into hell. Can you imagine peeking hell and then just getting one tapped from somebody on top of a Sage wall back here? Or like he smokes this too. He thinks he's good in the smoke. Nitro's just chilling on a fucking wall.
That's crazy.
These are the classic Sage wall boosts. Like, it's nothing new to see a Sage boost up on her wall, but I just love the angle of like over the smoke and everything. That would be so obnoxious to me. He ends up winning this round too, I think. He aces this. So I just thought it was cool how Nitro popped off. A lot of people are hating because Ethan took the Omen from him. He used to be like an Omen one trick, but No, Nitro's nasty with it, honestly, on anyone. I'm interested to see who he plays besides Sage, because I know that he also plays Breach. He played Breach on the last map. That was pretty nasty, but that's fun to watch.
Yeah, I mean, isn't Omen like the highest, like the biggest smoke, like vertical wise?
Yeah, I think so.
Pretty sure. So like any smoke would have worked there, or any smoke, yeah, the wall would have worked.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Just crazy.
I don't know if you noticed with the Astra smokes, they seem like kind of small, honestly.
Honestly, it's so tiny.
Yeah, so like I can't. If he was boosting up on that, he'd stick out like a sore thumb still too. But anyway, the last map or the last play comes from the same map. This map was a mess, dude. It went into overtime. This comes from Nature. Oh yeah, if I were to title this clip, what I would title it is "Why I'm a Vandal User." So it's gonna be Nature. He's in a 1v3. Sorry, I'll stop full screen here. Gets the one, nice. Straights around Gent, gets the second one. The 1v1 with Steel. Dinks Steel. Ends up dying to Steel because Steel is a Vandal and he has a Phantom. It's like such a bummer. I think he was full HP too, wasn't Nature? I don't know. He was kind of low. So even if Steel had a Phantom, he still dies to him. But the fact that he headshotted him. If he headshots him with a Vandal, literally wins this. But he headshot him with a Phantom, so he doesn't. And I just like, that's the worst shit in this game, dude. This is why I don't use the Phantom. Literally the whole reason. People ask me on stream.
Wait,
like,
can you actually see how many bullets he had at the end? Because if he had a Vandal, he wouldn't have not had enough. Yeah, he would have had to reload on that last take.
Don't hit me with logic, Lucas Magic, okay?
Oh, sorry. Content. Yeah, good job, Casey. Phantom sucks. Vandal better.
You are right on that regard, but still, are you kidding me? He headshots the guy. Like, oh, come on. That's such a bummer. Maybe he would have like played it a little bit better. Shroud said that he wouldn't have gotten 2 kills with Vandal anyway. I don't care what Shroud said, dude. This is what I'm saying. That's the worst feeling. Headshotting somebody for 140 in a clutch situation and losing. Literally loses it. Oh my god. That's the worst. Should have had his turret on Heaven. No, it's even amazing that he was able to bring this down to a 1v1. Like, sitting behind Jen, just strafing back and forth. That's what's so dope about Valorant, is that just, like, if you're landing shots, dude, you're feeling it, you can do shit like this. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna do it. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Lucas's channel, too. He's my co-star. You know, we're gonna be streaming some Valorant games relatively soon. Hopefully casting some games, because I wanna host a tournament, but I want to get more practice before we host the tournament. So we probably should run customs or whatever. That's if you want to cast with me. I'm not gonna force you to, but if you want to.
Yeah, for sure, guys. He's forcing.
Yeah, I'm forcing him to do it. Lucas is locked in my basement right now, and I'm gonna make him cast with me. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. See you next video.